So today I'm taking a look at these super clamps by SMALLRIG. So I got 2 of them, 1 for each side. So I just want to do a quick unboxing and give my first impressions of these. All right, that's everything in the box. And this little baggie, or this little paper thing, we're gonna get this piece. Oh, this is gonna be for the GoPro. And then the clamp itself. Now this is gonna have some pretty good weight to it. And this one's gonna open up the clamp, which does open a good amount. And opening this up all the way is gonna be roughly 2 1/4, a little bit under that. And then on the inside, there's gonna be these grippies. So wherever you grip it to, it'll be nice and in place. And here's the other part of it. Oh yeah, I gotta loosen this up. And there, it's basically it for that. So now let me attach it up here and then show you what it looks like. This is too small. Oh, okay. All right, so unfortunately this is gonna be too small for this pole. So I'm gonna need a bigger one of these. So, well, I guess that's that. Maybe it'll fit all the way on the other side since that's gonna be a little bit thinner. All right, so this does fit, but it doesn't look very safe since this is only grabbing about halfway, and then this is what I'm talking about. Yeah, it just barely grabs it, so I don't think this is gonna be very safe, at least on this pole that I have. And on top of that, I don't really wanna use the light on this side. I actually want to use it more on the other side. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to return this and get another one.